All right, so we are on week 3 of Flex Learning. So let's open this up. First thing you should have done is gone and watched this walkthrough. That's what you're doing right now. Monday we don't have school, so there's nothing for you to do. Go outside, hit a dab, do something really cool like that. Tuesday and Wednesday, this is kind of a 2-day project here. Do the unit review, and then check in with the keyer by watching that screencast that covers it. Okay, on Thursday, what you have is a little bit of extra review. So you got options. What I want you to do is take this practice test, post a question you still have there, or email me or set up a time that we can chat in order to make sure you feel good about the test. And then Friday, we have the Unit 7 chemical reactions test. This will only be available on Friday, though. So notice that it won't even be able to accept submissions until the 17th, which is that Friday. That's all we're doing this week. We'll start next Monday with some test corrections where you'll need to come back to this test. So make sure you take that test on Friday. All right, love you guys. Bye.